Ever heard of a bear turning into a hero? This story will blow your mind. Imagine this. A kid goes missing in the forest. His family searches day and night, but no luck. 3 days later, the kid is found, safe and sound. And guess what he says? A giant bear kept him safe. What? The kid, only 3 years old, said the bear gave him food and warmth. Skeptical? So were we. Experts say bears usually avoid humans, but there's more. Locals have legends about friendly forest spirits. Could this bear be one of them? Fact or folklore? We may never know. But one thing's for sure, this kid's story has everyone talking. Do you believe in guardian bears? Comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing stories.